How about a little sunrise over the beautiful Red River? Hey, that's a mighty neat country up there, I'm telling you what. I was up there in August, and I think if I had my choice, that I'd probably go back up there in July or August again, but the fishing actually starts in May. Now, I mentioned the fact that these catfish are a fun fish, something everybody can get involved with. And for that, we're going to have some music, I think. What do you say we cut old Mark and Mike loose, those two boys of mine, and just see what they can come up with for us, a little bit of catfish music.
You got it here. Okay. You going in the truck with that? You betcha. If I got to drive this big thing, I'm taking my stuff with me. Well, you sure going to get in trouble for having Dad's jacket on? He'll never know. Never know. We got to do some new music for a trip him and Dan Gapin been on. You know Dan Gapin? Well, I know he likes to sleep a lot. No, I fished with him when I was real young. I don't remember a whole lot about him. I hear he likes to catch those catfish, though. Yeah, so cool Mr. Whiskers. Cool Mr. Whiskers. A long time. Here, no, wait, I got a new one that we can do for him. I think he'll like. It's in G here. Yeah, we're just two of a kind. Nothing can keep us apart. Yeah, we got good luck to shine. We hit it off from the start. We make good teams. Ain't no doubt about it. We make a good team. Ain't no good without it. We make a good team. Nothing's getting past us. We make a good team. Good times are gonna last us. I think we've got the same mind on how to handle good times. We make a good team. Ain't no doubt about it. We're a good team. Ain't no good without it. It's good news to whiskers. Nothing's getting past us. It's good news to whiskers. Good times are gonna last us. How big? Well, maybe it ain't as big as I thought. He ran so cold.
Oh, he's nice fish. He's about 16, 17, 18. Wait a minute, he'll get excited here in a second.
He'll get excited.
You want that out of the way?
Yeah, here, I got it. Put it right in your leg.
There you go.
This was a little piece of magic bait. Magic baited that guy. But
There's the
and I'm
indicator.
so surprised that I'm landing him this easy. You know what he did? He ran so fast, so hard to the river that he kind of... Of course, we haven't landed him, have we?
Put a lot of pressure on him. Go down.
I'm trying. There he is.
Yeah, there he is.
Got part of him. Here, let me see that. Just
Right, now remember to weigh him.
35 pounds.
No, come on. That's what I figured. Nice catfish. Nice
Get
catfish.
around here now and help me.
All right.
We get loose here.
Okay. Go ahead. You take him out of there.
Huh? Oh, yeah, sure. Let me get everything out of the way here. Sure, you take him off.
Take him off. All right, now. Your turn. Oh, he's a nice, fat, gray cat.
Boy, they are pretty,
Aren't they pretty? That last one of mine was kind of white.
If I can get this good,
I mean, he'll get excited here in a second.
he'll get excited.
You want that out of the way?
Yeah, here, I got it. Put it right in your leg.
There you go.
This was a little piece of magic bait. Magic baited that guy. This is the biggest one we hooked, I think.
There's the
And I'm
indicator.
so surprised that I'm landing him this easy. You know what he did?
Cat.
Boy, they are pretty,
Aren't they pretty? That last one of mine was kind of white.
If I can get this good happening, if it does flop, I'm just going to spill him over.
Now some fish seem happy in cool, clear water. talk for a moment
About a fish that has whiskers?
Yeah, this fish has got whiskers. You heard that from me. Cool Mr. Whiskers lives down in that blue hole. Old timers call him the cat. He lives near a stump or a spot by a cut bank. Clever wherever he's at. His skin's just as slick as a worn silver dollar.
A fish without a scale?
He's a trot line, a limb line,
A straight line?
whatever.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go catch him.
We might just...
Talked to Bill Nichols over at Dale Hollow Reservoir in Tennessee, in eastern Tennessee the other day. You know that son of a gun caught a 9-pound